Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm laughing because I'm really realizing I'm crooked. We're going to reapply this, which is a Glow Play Thingy Lip Balm from MAC. I know, it looks like chapstick though, right? Feels like it too. It is very moisturizing. We are going to do swatches of my new 9-pan MAC palette that I put together here in January. I still have not used the one from December, but I do have videos coming up with all of those palettes in my basket of Unashamed to show you. And this eye keeps switching. So we're just going to do swatches of this. And the way I labeled it, it opens this way. So what I did was, if I just flip it, the names are at the top. And so if I want to see, what is this top color? I flip it this way. Sorry for the glare. And so this is top row, middle row, bottom row, and when I put it together. So I know how long I've had it open. And I also have my piece of paper to keep myself organized, what went where, as I was deciding on where to put the shadows. And I did a picture on Instagram. Hold on, I'll grab the one I put together in December. This is the one I put together in December from 7 free shadows from rewards points. So that is that one. I just want to hold them up in comparison because I know I have a vibe, dark, smoky, grungy. And I posted these two and the one from whenever. And yeah, I definitely have a vibe. So this one here is the one from December I put together. This is the one from January. So look at this. Definitely a vibe. I definitely have a vibe. So you will be seeing pictures of all of those. And so we're going to get into swatches with the one I made in January. This shade here is, oh, that is nice and smooth. These three, 1, 2, 3 are Dazzle Shadow Extremes. And so it is very smooth. And so I'm tapping because when I swirl, sorry you couldn't see me, it just kind of like put dips in it. So this is Object the Art. That is that shade. I'm tapping in. So we can go again. This one is Incinerated. This one, yeah, these are very, very, very smooth. And that's what that one, that's a nice grungy two-tone look right there. This one here is Natural Wilderness. And this one is, I believe it's just a regular matte. Look at this. I did good. And I put the palette together to where I can do a look going across, 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 or I can do like these for this quad, or do these for here. I can even come diagonal and do this, this one, or come diagonal and do that one, or, you know, be a little funky in a good way and do these four right here. But that's how I put it together, thinking of easy way to do looks with that. And this one is the third Dazzle Shadow Extreme, and this is called Emerald Cut. Oh, up the wrong side. You see that? Let me get that out. Put that sponge tip down. Get a clean one. And these are so pretty. And these I ordered just from offline, looking at them, which can always be challenging. This shade here in the middle is Glitch in the Matrix. Ooh, look at that. I think I did good. I ain't even done yet, and I'm already patting myself on the back. Sometimes troll do a good thing. This one here is Stormation, and this is a regular matte. It looks like a forest green in person. So we're going to swatch that again. This one feels a little dry, which means nothing. I have never had an issue with MAC shadows applying. It just seemed a little more stiff to pick up than this matte up here. This is pretty. What? Or even this shade with this one and this one in the corner, use that to blend it out. This to blend out any shade or for transition for any look would make it grungy. And that's why I love shadows like that. Now we're going to come down here. This is Shady Santa. Did y'all know Santa was shady? Ooh. Ooh. I did good. Look at this. This shade here with this one. And I'm not always all about monochromatic looks. I'm really not. But just, I did good putting the palette together. This shade here is Embark. And I substituted a shadow in the one I made in December for Embark because they didn't have it in store. And I substituted for Carbon for this matte shimmer right here. But y'all see I ended up getting it anyway. So this is Embark. And this is feeling dry like this one did, but I think it's just their regular formula because, again, I've never had any issue with MAC shadows. That's nice. That is nice. I did good, y'all. Look at this. And the last one is Carbon, which is a matte black. This one feels smoother than the other two mattes that I swatched. Well, the ones I said felt dry. This one doesn't feel like that. So all the mattes don't feel dry. Y'all, I did good. I am excited. So these are the swatches of the MAC palette. Let me get the glare off of here that I put together in January. Why am I like holding my... I don't know. I hesitated so I can take a screenshot of that. So now you've seen my other matte palette. Super excited to get into that. This is over. Not going to prolong it. Thank you for being here. If you have not used MAC shadows, what are you waiting for? And I know a lot of people don't talk about them anymore much, about MAC in general, but MAC is like the old G in the game, like seriously. And I feel really good about going back to MAC. I'm kind of going back to my roots, I feel like, and I'm just really excited. Excuse me. I know you didn't hear it, but I felt it. I really feel, well, not a feeling, I'm reminded of how much I loved MAC, 10, 12 years ago. And so I'm really happy to just be back there and to be using shadows that are tried and true. No, I'm not going to have an issue with, knowing the looks are going to be nice, and being able to create your own palette. Like, look at this. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm excited. All right. I'm going to go. Thank you for being here. My eye is twitching again. Like, what is going on? As always, self-acceptance is self-love. That is the Crazy Troll Nation way. Thank you for being here. Stuff will pop up for you to see. Check things out if you have time. If not, stuff is always here for you to see. So welcome back anytime, and you will see me soon. Thanks.